Guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to set up Git in IntelliJ IDEA. So IntelliJ IDEA is a Java IDE. Actually, it's one of the best Java IDE that you can come across. So personally, for Java programming, I use IntelliJ IDE. So to set up Git on IntelliJ IDE, you have to follow these steps. So first of all, you open your project. So this is my project now. I want to set up Git for this project. After opening your project, you come to this top, you click on VCS, then you click on Enable Version Control Integration. So you click on that, and then you come to this drop down, you select Git, and then you click OK. So just like that, we've initialized Git in our project. That means we've initialized Git in our project. We've told our project that we want to use Git. So now you can see that these files are red. That means we've not added them to our staging site. So what we need to do now is to add these files so that Git can track them. So you come to VCX, then you come to add. Okay, you come to that's to add a file. If you want to add a file like this dungeon file, now I've added a dungeon file. If you want to add a maze game file, you click on the file, maze game, VCS, Git, add. So you can see it has turned green. So you can select your files one by one and add them, but we won't do that because it's time consuming. So what we can do is just to add all files. You can just come to VCS, Git, and then click on commit. You come to VCS, commit. You put in your you come to this place. You can see these are the files that we've added. So these are the files we've not added to Git. So you click on all the unversioned files. All the unversioned files are the ones we've not added. You click on unversioned files. Then you put in your commit message. Then you click on commit. So by commit, you click on commit. So by committing our code, what it means is that we've added our project or code to Git staging site so that Git can track updates that we make to our code. So now any change you make to your code now, Git cannot track them. You can see it's now on version. So I need to commit it again. You can see I just made a change now. So I need to commit this also. So now GitHub is now tracking the changes that we make to our file. So so now for us to push the next step, now that we've committed our file, the next step is to push. So you come to Git and then push. But before we can push, we need to set up our GitHub URL. You can use GitHub, you can use GitLab. So you go to GitHub, you log in, you go to GitHub, you log in, you create a new repository, put the name. You can either make it public or private. So I will be making it public. And you click on create repository. So after creating a repository, this is what we need, the URL. Then you go back to your IDE, you come to VCS, Git, then remote, then you add the URL. So now that we've added our remote URL, we can now start pushing our code to this URL. So you click OK. Then to push now, we can now push. You come to VCS, Git, then push. So you can see these are the files that we've committed. This is our commit. And then you click on push. So it will ask for your credentials. Okay. Okay, so I'm not using my kitchen. Let me put my password now. Okay, so we're pushing now. You can see we've pushed to our master branch. So that's all, guys. If you need to set up Git for your project, this is the step you should follow. So that's all.